Hi guys, thank you for watching another video, and now trying to finish off I've got the leather wrap steering wheel here, and now trying to match the gear knob with the red stitching. So I've got this as a set. I haven't actually had time to put the gear knob wrap on, so it's the same. It's a hand stitch. You can see this going through a crisscross stitch according to the instruction, which is written in simplified Chinese, and I try to understand what it means. Finally worked it out and tied it up neatly, and it's not too bad. Because it's trying to match the stitching with the leather wraps stitching with the steering wheel. So so now just put it back, and there's another thing. I'm trying to catch up with the lockdown. As you know, this year in Victoria, Australia, also have another lockdown, so I have a bit of time in my hand to catch up with all those accessories I bought before the lockdown last year. And so now I'm just trying to twist it back in. It's sort of fitting is pretty snug, and really need to sort of be patient with it and stretch it to the limit with the leather. Just need to, every time when you go on a stitch, you really need to make sure pull the string, the leather stitching string tight, so it will go on properly and without any sort of visible gap. And that's it. Seems to be okay. And what do you guys think? Leave a comment, like, subscribe, and if you like it, if you like the video, press the like button, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'm trying to upload more video as I go. And the result seems to be pretty okay-ish. Yeah, not too bad. And a bit of update on the steering wheel wrap. It seems to be working really well. The one that I bought, the leather hasn't been worn. The color hasn't been worn off yet, and the stitching seems to be held up really well. So this seller actually, provide us some proper leather wrap thread for the leather steering wheel wrap kit, and so I think I've got an okay one, and let's see how this one works. Well, it come from the same people. Hopefully it will work the same. So yeah, and that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.